About to get a vet check for these 6 little dudes, and they are being so good. They're just chilling, calm. Love it when that happens. They're like, whatever. So cute. Hello, goat lovers. This is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family. Alright, we made it home from the vet. It's been a long day for these poor guys. One of these goats is going to California, so California loves to give us issues, always. So I'd say the check took about 30 minutes for all 6 goats, and 2.5 hours waiting on California. So, fun. But anyway, we're home, they're all healthy, they're all good to be shipped this month, so good. You babies were so good, you went out of there and stretched your legs, huh? Alright. Would you guys believe we have another huge weekend ahead of us? Of course you would. So this weekend, though, is getting ready for show. So show prep. Now, I'm taking about 10 does. I gotta look at my paperwork. I filled it out forever ago. But 10 does and 3 baby does. So 3 juniors, 10 seniors. I do not shave the juniors, because you never know when you're going to have a cold snap here, but oh, the seniors need shaved, and they take about 45 minutes to an hour a piece, and we have to be at show in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday we got to be there, so kind of nervous that, you know, it's crunch time, but whatever, it's always crunch time. So we got that stuff to do. Before I can do that, I actually have to finish a bunch of paperwork. I was the entry clerk for this particular show for one of the rings. So I'm going to finish up the last of the late entries and do all that stuff. So I better get on it so that I can get shaving goats. It's going to be a long day, a long, hairy day. So I'm going to eat me some peas for a bit and get on that.
If you can see that, I'll zoom in. There's a swarm of bees. This happens here in the spring and fall when temperatures change. Look at all of them. They're flying in right now. Now they've all settled. A couple of them buzzing around. Creepy. Get back, Dixie.
So now we're getting into bees. Derek just wanted to show me these bees over here. And they've got to go. They cannot be by my goats. They gotta buzz off. Be gone. Pun intended. Well, we are about to get rid of another little baby. This one is Little Red is what we call him, but the owner named him Dakota, and he is going to South Carolina, so pretty far away. But his owner's going to be here any moment to pick him up, so I really like this little guy. He's one of the sweetest. He was out of Mayo. Are you going to have a fun time in South Carolina? Aw, pretty boy. And go meet your girly friends. You're just a sweetie. And you all are. You all are. Look at him. I will miss that face. Look at those dorks over there. Passed out. All right, Little Red. See you later.
What it was. I think it was.
I'll miss that guy. So yesterday I had big plans, guys. Big plans to have at least half of the goats shaved. But there were a lot more entries I had to put in, and all of the paperwork for the show took me forever. So I didn't get a single goat shaved. So now I'm like, oh great, it is crunch time. I have one day before I go back to work. So let's see how many goats I can get shaved, because there's 10 of them that I have to do in one day. So it's gonna be a long, hairy day. Ugh. Ugh. All right, so we gotta get my stand and everything over there so that we can get them all shaved. You girls are excited, aren't you? Should we start with you, cutie? What do you think? You are an ornery girl. Maybe save the best for last, and you're really probably gonna be a punk. That's typical. Are you peeing next to me?
Hit on him. On me.
Oh. That's never a good sign.
Why?
So I got new blades for my clippers so they're extra sharp. So I'm going to find myself a guinea pig to make sure they are in perfect working order for the goats. Babe.
No.
Can I cut your hair, hippie? All done.
Oh, hey.
Alright, goat number 1. Mayo, you're gonna look so pretty.
With all that goat poop she always lays in, she looks not very happy right now.
So it wasn't windy. I didn't realize it was gonna be windy when I checked the forecast a couple days ago. Yesterday, of course, was beautiful. No wind. And today, oh, I don't know, 20-mile-an-hour gusts or something. Whipping around wind. This is what happened to me last year. I don't like to shave in the wind. You are crazy. It's okay, girl. So we've had a long day of shaving, guys, and we still aren't done. But we did, how many have we done? 7th, right? Yeah, Maddie here is our 7th goat. So we might not get her completely done. I'm hoping we do. I got about 15-20 minutes before we got to start milking. So I might be shaving at show. Well, I will be shaving at show. So it really is not fun to shave in the wind. But Emily and Darren really helped out a lot today. Emily washed them while Darren helped shave. And I got hair in places I shouldn't. Little tiny jagged hairs, especially in my eyeballs. How about you, boy?
Huh?
You got a lot of hairs all over you?
Yeah. Yeah.
But at least my hair looks really good. So anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next week for show.